Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving deep into DePIN on Intract with the DePIN-AI expedition. Here, you will choose your pill, red or blue, to unlock your path and unlock your rewards. So with projects like Shaga, Aura, and others dropping soon, you can go to Intract and you can pick your path. There will be more coming soon, so I know which one I will be taking. But before we actually get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way, like a share of 300 USDC, 11K official points, 3 NFTs, all kinds of fun stuff that will be had, and also rewards from other projects as well. So not just from Intract, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So if you ever have any questions, comments, or need any help navigating this space or others, or if you have project recommendations, jump in the Discord. Link is down below. If you don't see any of these amazing channels that we have right here, go to the rules and guidelines, click the thumbs up, and you will be granted access. So thank you to everyone in there helping build that out. I appreciate y'all so much. And those of you who are new, welcome. And feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and me or any of my lovely community members will be able to help you out with whatever you need. So get in there and we will see you there. But let's dive into it. So DePIN-AI expedition. I know I'm going to choose the team blue because I'm already red pilled enough. So we'll take a little switch. We'll take a little switch to the red or to the blue pill. So here we go. So join the Intract, all the social stuff. So here, blue pill unlocked, ready to dive deep into DePIN-AI expedition. Play it cool with the blue pill, complete the quests, keep it safe, play it smart. So let's spread the DeFi or DePIN frenzy, quote and retweet, and you can just open these up. Make sure you're in the Discords and you can claim your blue pill. Now, I will be choosing the red pill on my backup wallet. So if you have two profiles or if you have two different accounts, you can choose both. So let's close out of there since we don't need those anymore. And there we go. We're on the path. So this, let's see. They don't have this in any one like specific order. So red pill. I wonder if I can, okay, so I can't do that one. I was just making sure that that wasn't available to do. Pull up this main page because they don't have this in a great order. So you can go back here and make sure that I go to the right projects. Okay, this is what we want. Oh, Shaga Showdown. Okay, and then Daylight, and then UTU. We haven't done U2U. Okay, so we will verify that we hold the blue pill. Follow Shaga on Twitter, join the community Discord, and all you really need to do for this is you don't have to actually join the Discord. You don't have to verify. You join the Discord and it will, without verifying on Discord, because you see I didn't verify, right? But it gave me the verification on here. So all you have to do is just join the Discord and open these up. Yep. Go to the Shaga glob and connect your Solana wallet. Whoa. All right, we'll visit the link. So what is Shaga? It's set to redefine the cloud gaming landscape through ultra low latency on any device. So glob points are the community's fuel to build the world gamers deserve. Shaga's point system is designed to enhance player engagement and rewards within upcoming game products like Shaga Odyssey. It reminds me of Saga. Connect our X account. I'm just gonna go to quests. So we need to connect our Solana wallet. I think this will verify. What's your glob username? Okay, so we need to make a username. Select our backpack wallet. And pre-order Odyssey, Shaga Showdown. Okay, that's the one that we're doing right now. Claim. Okay, we got let's verify. Okay, we're verified. Now, copy your username when you're in your profile and verify. So use the code Intract. So I guess you have to pre-order this in order to, so 30% token allocation reserved for pre-sale purchaser and monthly token distribution. So you can verify that. And I don't even know how much this will be, but I'm just going to look at the reward. Okay, Shaga Showdown, done. Next up, we'll go with the Daylight. So Daylight Energy, done some of these on layer 3. So they're on a mission to decentralize the power grid and bring the energy economy on chain. By creating virtual power plants composed of hundreds of energy producers and coordinating the allocation of energy on chain, Daylight is building a future that is more renewable, inclusive, and regenerative. So complete the campaign and earn 1,000 Daylight testnet lumens each, which will make you eligible for the airdrop of the Daylight token. Daylight by Night NFT, Daylight swag, for the top 10 users after 1 month. So we'll come and check this out, verify that you hold the blue pill, join their Discord, subscribe to the paragraph, and then we'll verify those. Daylight energy. I need to verify this in the Discord. Oh, I need to leave some Discords. Actually, so many that I'm forced to be a part of. It's crazy. Let's do this. Now I can join a new server. Okay, verify. Okay, mint the regen degen NFT. I will share my link for Zora. There is shareable, a referral link on here. So use that if you would like. Let's refresh this. And we're going to open this one up as well. So we're going to mint the paragraph, NFT, spread the word. Okay, so it's going to force us to mint the NFT. I think it needs to be on Zora, right? No, base. Okay, so go to the base network. And it's about 30 cents to mint. All right, regen, degen, verify. And then we can go over here, paragraph, connect our wallet. And then we can mint this little bad mama jamma. I like how these projects are coming up with ways to utilize the energy that is captured by blockchain mining rigs or the computers that are using or running the blockchains and securing networks. So it's good to see them finding ways of utilizing the energy to reward users, capture that value that's lost or transferred, I guess, because energy is never lost. It's just transferred into something else. Boom, collected, go and verify. There we go. So we can claim this Daylight by Night NFT. Let's go. I'm gonna do the other pill on my other wallet, see what that quest is like. But you know what? I'm gonna do that for y'all right now. I'll do both of them actually. So I'm gonna refer myself to myself. So I'll complete these for you guys too. Okay, completed, claimed. Let's return after the quest ends and bada boom. And this I will mint because I like that. Oops, I forgot. I'll copy that, refer myself to myself, and get rewarded. All right, next up on the blue pill, where is it? U2U, the U2U network. We haven't really done a lot on this. We've done one video on the U2U network, but not really anything since then. Let's see. Yeah, U2U is, I forget what the D, acyclic graph, a DAG-based network. Oh man, what is DAG? I forgot what the D is. DAG, constellation. It's something acyclic graph. But either way, it's a subnet for infinite scalability and perfect fit for decentralized physical infrastructure, or DePIN. Follow U2U across social media and complete on-chain tasks. You can earn up to $300. Okay, verify that you hold the blue pill. Follow them on Twitter. Join their Discord. Oh, it looks like you do have to follow them. Okay, so I joined their Discord, join the Telegrams. Complete at least one transaction on Growfidex. So this is a testnet, remember? Testnet, you do not need any real funds. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I'll keep that up there right now. So follow them. So go to the link, connect your wallet, go to the faucet option, connect wallet and get your U2U coin. Come back to trade, go to sell and enter the amount proof. So injected wallet, where are we at? Trade. Oh, we need faucet actually. We need the faucet. We need the faucet for the tokens. All right, we can let's connect our wallet, get our faucet tokens, and I hate these so much. These are the worst. And we should get our tokens. So let's go back to Growfidex and we're gonna buy 5. Oh, actually, we'll sell 5 U2U because we have a balance. So this means you want to buy U2U with USDC. And this, you are selling U2U. So we're going to sell some U2U and get our USDC. And this is how you can make trades. So now you can go here, choose what you want to sell or buy. We're at Bitcoin to USDC. Let's buy. We'll just buy some, make some trades in here. This is how you switch. This is kind of a weird way of doing it. Because normally you should be able to swap right here or change the assets, but you have to come over here and select it from this list. So a little strange. Just you can choose from USDT to Doge. So we're gonna I want to buy Doge using USDC. So I'm gonna sell USDC or USDT and buy Doge. So play around with it, make some different trades. And also let's go into the pairs or the farms. let's see here, add USDT. So I'm going to add a little bit to this token pool just to get some more transactions. You want to get involved as much as possible. So we'll close out of the faucet, and there's another one, and I'm going to stake this one. Cool. So I have 2. And let's see, pairs. Let's go to pairs. We'll go to this first one. Since I have a little wrap Bitcoin and USDT, I'm just going to add some to this token pool. Enable wrap Bitcoin. Oh, actually, I might do the maximum on this one. Yeah. Just leave all this as standard. You don't need to worry about it, especially in the testnet environment. That's a lot more advanced, like understanding this graph. I don't even fully understand like the impacts of it, but I haven't studied it enough. So, okay, now that we've added our token liquidity pair, we'll go to loans. Let's see, staked amount, 3 days. What's the max borrow? Minimum borrow is 1. We're just gonna do this because it's a transaction. More transactions, and you are, okay, that's approved. Now we can borrow. Super cool, super cool. All right, 3 days, I think is what I put it for. Loan amount, borrowing. You can repay that now. So I'll repay. Bada boom, bada boom. So cool, so cool. Repaid, and now we should be good. Yep, so we can do it again. Go to Launchpad, check out the projects. Cancel, ended. Okay, so there you go. A little bit more in-depth than what we were planning, but it's cool to get a full understanding of that project and what the capabilities are. We do need to do this. Okay, as far as the blue pill goes, that's it. So I'm gonna go into the red pill one. Okay, verify. You gotta do it. Boom. So return after the quest ends now. So now we're going to do the red pill. So team red pill, if you choose to join this one, you'll be on the red pill. Okay, so red pill, this is where fearless thrive. Only those ready to level up. The fortune favors the bold. So here you go. Let's do all these. There we go. Let's verify. If not, we'll have to go back in. Yep, we got it. We are officially locked in to the red pill. Okay, claim. Let's go. All right, next up, Assister. We just did this with, oh my gosh, Archeum in their quest. So Assister, AI, assisting whatever your needs are. AI models for developers, autonomous AI agents, and enterprises. So let's go ahead and verify that we do all this, join their Discord, and I do not have a Telegram account with this, so I will have to skip this one for right now. I'm going to work on getting one, but that will be another time. Watch YouTube, drop your Solana wallet address, Solana, copy your wallet address, paste it right in here, and the Discord too. I need to join the Discords. Let's join the Discord so we can get the verification. This is it. Joining all these Discords has really become so tiring. It really has. All right, now I just need to do the Telegram, and once we're able to do that, if you want to look at this a little bit further, go to the Archeum Fortress or Archeum Citadel campaign and check out the Assister. You'll get a little more information on it, and we go through kind of how to play around in it. Okay, now Aura, on-chain AI and building AI dApps with Aura. So we just need to join their points program, and the Aura points program. Let's join this Discord. Oh, that's Intract. Boom. Okay, join Aura's points program. So go here, enter this DYFBQH referral code. Okay, so let's see the dashboard. Oh, connect. Aura. Orale, way. Orale. It doesn't say what network to use, but it sign community dashboard. Number of referrals. Enter a referral code. There you go. Now this is my referral code if you like to use it for this. Yeah, we've got that. So now that we've joined, verify. Oh, click the link and verify. I actually want to go back and see, do we need anything from here? Is there anything that we need to pay attention to? Or is it just kind of, okay, so that's staking. It looks like it is on mainnet. Yeah, all of this is on mainnet. You can run a Tora node to join their Twitter and Discord. Yeah, if you want to get a little bit deeper into this video is getting a little long, but there's a time limited quest or limited time quests. Not a whole lot to do here right now, but just keep an eye out for these projects. We got Aura points and I don't know if there's going to be points distribution. But yeah, there you go. Red pill done. I'll see if they have more, or when they have more come out, I will drop those videos for you. So there you go. Oh, and I lost that one. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comments, jump in the Discord. Link is in the description below. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.